Here we are in Cartagena, facing the Caribbean Sea. I've now just turned back towards the old city, and we're gonna enter.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that was terrifying. How dare you. So once we recover from that, we're gonna enter back into the old city through this creepy passageway to nowhere. Not sure if this is safe, but let's go anyway. This is literally terrifying. Okay. Oh my god. This is kind of cool. Echo! ¿Todo bien?
What is the next one? Dude, this is all... You can see all of these are shells. Fossilized shells.
Whoa.
Yeah, super cool, right? Like the entire city's walls were built with these fossils. Sedimentary fossils. So we can't actually go. Or can we? What if we're just like,
Yo, don't. You're not gonna walk on that edge, are you? No, it's windy as hell. Don't do it. You already lost your hat. Oh, come on now. No, it's really. To any Cartagena authorities who are watching this video, I did not approve of this. I was not going to pass the yellow fence, but I gave in to the peer pressure. And just to be clear, this is not wet cement or anything. This area is completely fine. Quite a pretty white building over there. As we continue our walk through this construction site. I don't know how Sienna's walking so quick. Whenever it's hot and sunny, I just walk nice and slow. Goodbye, bird. Have a good life. Doing what birds do. So you can imagine once upon a time this area of the wall would have been very important. Of course, it was built to watch out for pirates and invaders from the sea. Today it just exists for tourists like us to climb over construction walls and scare birds. But once upon a time, this was a key part of Cartagena. Interesting little car entrance there, facing the sea. It's barely bigger than the cars that are getting through it. If you had a truck or something, you're not making it through there, I don't think. Nice architecture on this side of Cartagena. I haven't been here before. I haven't seen these buildings, but I like those archways. Also nice is that shade. After about 20 minutes walking in the sun, it is time to enjoy the shadows for a little bit. Interesting how all the taxis in Colombia have their license plate written on the sides as well. I'm not sure I've seen that in any other country. Nice little deco of someone doing some inappropriate things with a sheep. We're not going to say any more about that, but look at these old green doorways. I bet those doors have seen a lot. I'm not talking about the sheep anymore. I'm just talking about the history of the city. Anyway. Fun fact, today is actually election day here in Cartagena, which means that none of the places, none of the restaurants, none of the bars are allowed to sell alcohol. They have a dry law, which means that from 6 p.m. the night before the election through all of today until tomorrow morning, there are no alcohol sales in this city. I guess the logic is they don't want people drunk as they cast their ballots, but I don't know if I agree with that. Maybe drunk people. Maybe we need some more drunk people in democracy, you know? You ever think about that? Sienna, you know what this building is? It's massive. University. Universidad de Cartagena. Founded in 1827. Straight? I really like those wooden balconies. Beautiful Caribbean outfits worn by the women on the corner. Gotta love those bright colors that you see. Wow. Plaza de la Proclamation. November 11th, 1811. This is where people gathered to declare independence. So obviously, a very important place for the people of Cartagena, people of Colombia as well. Well, that was fun. I'm going to end the video here for today. We're going to continue our walk through the old city. As you can see, there's plenty of restaurants, plenty of things to stop and try, things to buy. But part of the joy of a place like this is just looking around and seeing what comes your way. Hope you enjoyed the fact that this video came your way. Yeah. See you next time from Colombia. Have a great day, everyone.